Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the 15 Language Learning Hacks PDF cheat sheet. If you want to know the best ways to learn a language, how to start speaking, and special tips and tricks for learning with our program, get this new cheat sheet. Download it for free right now. Second, the 50 Most Common Questions Workbook. You'll master 50 common questions that all beginners need to know with this PDF workbook. Third, must-know words and phrases for the new year. Do you know how to say New Year in your target language? You'll be able to with this quick 1-minute vocab lesson. Fourth, what's your New Year's resolution? Can you say it in your target language? With this bonus phrase lesson, you'll be able to say the common goals like read more, save money, and learn a language. And fifth, looking for a new language learning app in 2025? With the innovative language learning app, you learn language fast through conversations, and you start speaking in minutes because our conversation lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. Download innovative language learning for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.